So if you want to select any object in the AutoCAD, like for example, we have this couple objects there, arc, rectangle, and this circle. We give different color just to identify it simply. And we have different type of selection. First one, we can just come on here over the arc or any object and click on it. Then keep click on the other objects. You will select them all. In case you want to select them all together once, you have Control A from the keyboard. Control A will select all the objects in the AutoCAD, or also we have a third option, which is with the selection box, which you have two types, which is the green and the blue. The green will be from the right to left, and the blue from the left to right. And there is a difference between them. The green box is if anything touch the corner of the green box will be selected. For example, here I have the arc and rectangle just touch, not the entire object inside the green box, but we'll select them all. The blue box should be everything under the blue box selection, which is we start from left to right. For example, here I started from here. Just one click here and leave the mouse. Then again, push your mouse down until here, and you can see that a circle now. First object entered inside the blue box, so it's the first object selected full. If I click here, will be selected only the circle. If I go a little further to the right, rectangle will be also inside, so you can see just highlighted as a white and then selected. So in case I want just for the circle, I click here, then only the circle selected, and I can move it for sure or copy it or whatever I want to do with it. So this is the type of selection and the comparing between the blue and the green. Let's do one more sample. For example, if we have a small line here with like for small line here, and then also another line over it, right? Small line here, for example. So here we have two lines. If I want to select only the small line, I have to go with the right selection from the left to right with the blue section box. So you can see here when I zoom in, you can see here is selected only the small line, so you can move it or delete it also. If I select it with the blue, with the green, we'll select everything and we'll delete it. So this is the difference between the blue selection box and the green selection box. And I saw some students, they just hold and keep holding the mouse and they do this. This one is not helpful anymore. In some point we will use it, but I don't recommend you to use this one because it's like sometimes will be like confusing. So don't hold the mouse, just one click on the left click on the mouse, and then second click wherever you want to exit the selection box. Thank you so much, and see you next video.